Hello everyone, welcome to the daily analysis video. So again, I kept my promise. So on Friday, on last day, okay, on Wednesday, what happened was that I caught the put buyers during the live market hours, but the move did not come, okay, and the move came today, as you can see. So the thing is that yes, I apologized and I said that I'll compensate, and today, as you know, I posted my trade. So I told you that the put buyers were again active in the morning. So and if you look at the time, so it was when I posted it on the Twitter, so it was 9:39 a.m. and also like when I posted it in the group, so it was 9:36. Okay, so even in the group also 9:23, I said that some resistance will be coming into Nifty when Nifty shot up the first two green candles. After that, I said that the Nifty would be coming down. Okay, it would be getting resistance because the data points were suggesting so, and it went above 22,700, and so I saw that like straddles are happening. So yes, straddles did happen, but then what happened was suddenly, there was some buying by these HFT guys. So I think those guys were they bought puts the last day. Okay, so on Thursday they bought puts. The move did not come. We caught them, but the move did not come. Okay, I discussed clearly that in the last analysis that even I said that like one or two bearish days can come, but again I would be ultimately bullish. Okay, before the election. So now coming to the main point, that is I clearly mentioned this, and also today caught the put buyers and went with them. So 22,700 P bought at 115 at 9:36. I saw that like there were some put buyers, big HFT buyers, they were buying. So I think those guys who bought on Thursday, they were averaging out their position. So yes, they averaged out and they like took it above 200 as well. So anyways, I closed it at 148. So look at the time, 9:36, and posted on Twitter at 9:39. So when did the move come? If you look at here, so let's go to the candle. So just right exactly at the top. So yeah, if you look at here, that is this is the 940 candle. So 939 candle was here. So 936 to 939, so it was almost there, and then just right after that this big candle came down, and then again the selling started. Even if you look at our money flow as well, so money flow again, guys who follow the money flow, again listen very carefully. That is, in the morning, yes, the score went positive, it was 40, but you should give it a little bit of time. Okay, the very first 15 to let's say usually the first 15 minutes, 9:15 to 9:30, it's very very volatile, and so you should let the score come down to its own decision. Okay, so the thing is that it went to 40, but then it started gradually decreasing from there, 9:29. After that it started gradually decreasing, and by 9:38 you can very well see it went to negative 32. So, and the even in Bank Nifty the fall came out at 940. Okay, so if you look at here, that is the main fall started from here 9. So this was the big red candle. After that the fall started. So the fall started in both Nifty and Bank Nifty in after 940. So again, as I said, like this is one of the leading indicators. So again, I'll talk about the last update as well. So I'm coming to everything. So for Nifty, it was like negative in the morning, and then a little bit of neutral zone, and again it went to the totally negative zone. Okay, so it was like clear cut, like the both these money flows were negative. But again, coming down to the end, I showed many times that this divergence is increasing, score is increasing, Nifty is going down, but Nifty did not go down much after this update. I showed yeah. So coming down to today's update, so if you look at here, so I showed that these gaps are forming and the gaps are widening. Okay, so the gaps were widening, and so I told that that means that we have reached a near bottom. But and if you look at Nifty or Bank Nifty, so after the update they did not move much. Might be like they 20 to 25 points Nifty came down, but not much movement or down move like this big red candles or what. ever. So even if you look at here, we drew this level a few days back. I showed it in every analysis video. So Nifty comes down and halts there. So again, if Nifty doesn't take support there, we should be very careful. And again, there's a high chance that Nifty can take support, because the money flow is also indicating that is the score was increasing both in Nifty and Bank Nifty as well. So this is also the same thing, that is the gap was widening, and the gap did not fill today. So it might be like the gap is getting filled up the next day or next to next day anyways. So even yesterday's video, again let me repeat, I mentioned that 1 or 2 bearish days are fine. Like before going up again, 1 or 2 bearish days should come, because everyone is going long looking at the FII. So that's the problem. And even I have taken a huge long position today as well. So not in my account. So anyways, let's not disclose the thing. I have shared my positions. So it's up. Rest is up to you how to consider it. So yeah, now it's a bullish position, but that will be like in a separate account. And these HFT buyers that I track and take trades with them, that will be in a separate account. Okay. So yes, now coming down to the EOD data. So again, those who I mean, if you want such live analysis, again, yes, one day it might happen that we are analyzing correctly, but the move doesn't come. But as you can see, like I mean, we are going with such a high accuracy. Only one day the move did not come. Okay. So even on Twitter also, like this is for the members, but on Twitter also, if you go and look at here, so those who say that you what is your track record or everything, every day I show it to you guys during the live daily analysis video, that is what happened, how our analysis went. Even I will show the screenshots, post again screenshots on Twitter. And just for the Twitter followers as well, I mean, this week I shared 2 trades. One did not, the last day it did not go. But today, yeah, I did compensate. I did keep my word. I did keep my word. And talking about the previous week also, I gave like 2 of my trades, and I mean, I told you that the put buyers or the call buyers were active, and those 2 went exactly fine. One of them is this, which gave 3x. So I did not say that like chalo you compensate with this one. Okay. So I said that okay, in future we will compensate on this one. So there is a difference. So I hope you enjoyed my analysis. So if you do, don't forget to put a like and share it among the other traders who need such help. And if you still don't follow me on Twitter or haven't subscribed to me on YouTube, so please do so. Now let's come to the EOD data. So EOD data is suggesting that recently, like FIs have taken huge future long positions. So some FIs long positions stop loss got hit, they closed, but overall still FIs now are long in the futures. Okay, heavily long, not just long, heavily long. Now talking about PropDex, not much activity in the futures. They are closing on the long side in futures. I don't know why, but let's see what they are doing in the options. So option chain, PropDex. Coming to FIs have made straddle. As you can see, they are put writers as well as sorry, my mistake. They are put writers. As you can see, this is the put writing quantity, this is the put buying. So put writers, they are called writers as well. So they are the straddle guys in the option chain. And talking about PropDex, they have done put buying. Again, I repeat, put buying PropDex. Okay, and PropDex have done call writing. So PropDex are like in the option chain, they are bearish. In the futures, they are closing long position. So short term, I think they are bearish. And that's the overall like analysis of the FIs and the PropDex. Because yesterday, if you saw, like most of the positions got closed by the FIs and PropDex. Okay, so that's why we are only considering today's fresh position. So that is saying that the PropDex are bearish in option, and also they are not taking bearish trades in futures, but they are closing their long positions in futures. Even yesterday also, if you see, they closed a huge long positions in futures. Today also they closed a huge long positions in futures. So they are like a little bit of bearish, but again, let me tell you that before election, any day, again we will see that suddenly, like when no one is expecting, big green candle, and it I mean short covering, and it goes up like to 23k. So everyone is waiting for this 23k. Anyways, so it will come, but we have to wait for it. So the data points, again, let me tell you that I don't shout 12,000 coming every day. I don't shout 25,000 coming every day. Whatever be the data points is telling, I only tell that. So currently data points are saying that we are in a bullish mode. Everything is in the bull phase, and so 1 or 2 days correction doesn't change the fact. But ultimately, if data changes, then we will also change our view. But still then, we are bullish. Okay. So I would always prefer to go buy on dip. If I'm going for like, if I'm going for next month trades or whatever, by taking time. But if I'm going short term like intraday, then I'll just stick to the HFT traders. As you all know, like how I do it. These high frequency traders, they are like doing a superb job, and if you can catch them, you get a nice return. Okay. And not only that, like it's not like the move has happened, then I'm saying that okay, I have bought this, and it's proper timestamp, proper everything is there. Okay. And every day I'm showing it to you, and even those days when I'm wrong, I'm also showing it to you. I'm being 100% transparent, 100% honest about my work, whatever I'm doing. So anyways, if you want such analysis, so you can be a part of the derivatives indicator group. And if you are facing any problem with the payment or anything related, you can text me. So here's if you click on contact, you get my contact, or you can also text me on Twitter as well. So anyways, the overall again analysis, I would be like going for buy on dip for long term trades. Okay. And short term trades, my HFT traders are my big friends, and I follow them and take trades. So anyways, thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. If you like the analysis, don't forget to put a like and share it among the other traders. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.